In this video, I'm going to show you how affiliates are earning hundreds of dollars every single day on Digistore 24 with this simple traffic source. And I'm going to show you how to do everything for absolutely free. As you can see right here, this is a beginner guide teaching people how to grow on TikTok. And if you come over here, you can see this guide is promoting an affiliate link. And I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video as well. And finally, if you come over here, you can see it has gotten over 9,000 views. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to digistore24.com to create an account if you don't have one already. All you need to do is to then click on the register now button, and it's going to bring you to this page where you need to enter your basic information and your account will be created right away. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this, and you're going to see this section where you can pick any product available on Digistore 24 and start promoting. So now I'm going to take TikTok as an example so that you can follow along easily. All right, so once you come over to your Digistore 24 account, all you need to do is to type in TikTok in the search section. So once you type this, then you want to click on search. So if you do this, you are going to see all the TikTok products available on Digistore 24. So I highly recommend you go with this product. I've seen a lot of results with this product, and also this product is going to pay you $54 in commission. So this is a very suitable product to promote to people who are interested in growing on TikTok. All right, so all you need to do from here is to then copy your affiliate link by clicking on the promote button. So the second step is going over to pdfdrive.com or any free PLR website that allows you to download ebook for free. All right, you can also come over to free PLR downloads as well. So once you come over to either of these websites, all you need to do as well is to go to the search section and look for an ebook related to the product you're promoting. All right, so I'm going to type in TikTok. So once you do that, as you can see, this ebook is available to download for free, the 8 secrets to marketing success with TikTok. So all you need to do is to download this ebook. So once you do that, the third step is going over to Segida.com, and this website allows you to include affiliate link in any PDF file. All right, so once you come over to this website, all you need to do is to click on edit a PDF document. So once you do that, then you want to click on upload PDF file. So once you upload the PDF ebook, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, you can edit this PDF for free. So you want to come over to every page and you want to type in a very captivating call to action, something like this: get noticed on TikTok with this exclusive offer. Here is how. All right, so this is going to tempt a lot of people and they will be more likely to click on the link. So once you do this, then you want to click on this create link button. So once you do that, this is where you want to paste in your Digistore 24 link. All right, so once people click on the link, they will be taken to the Digistore 24 product. So once you do this, then you want to repeat this step in several pages of the ebook. All right, and once you're done, all you need to do is to then click on apply changes. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page saying your document is ready, and you can preview this PDF to see if everything looks good. As you can see, this is the link right here, and if I click on this link, it's going to take me to the Digistore 24 product. So as you can see, after clicking on the link, it brought me to the page of this product where this person is going to explain what people are going to get from this product, and once they pay for this product, you make $50. So now the last step is driving traffic, and you want to come over to this website, slideshare.net. So all you need to do once you come over to this website, you will be uploading content that people will be reading, and once they click on the PDF file to read it, they are going to see our affiliate link, and once they click it and purchase the product, you make money. So now you want to create an account if you don't have an account with them already by clicking on the sign up button. So once you create your account, you want to click on the upload button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you want to upload the PDF file you downloaded from Segida.com. So once you do that, as you can see, this is a preview of the ebook right here. Okay, so now all you need to do is to give it a title. You want to make sure to use the exact title as the name of the ebook, like this. All right, and you want to make sure to select the most suitable category for that ebook. As you can see, this one belongs to social media. All right, and now you want to give it a short description, and you want to add tags as well, and you want to make sure to keep this as public And this is all you need to do, and you want to click on publish. So once you do this, you're going to start getting a lot of traffic, and a lot of people will start clicking on your affiliate link. The more traffic you bring to the affiliate link, the more likely people are going to purchase the product. So you want to repeat the same strategy by going over to Digistore 24, and you want to pick products from any category of your choice and go over to PDF drive or free PLR download to download a suitable ebook that you can use to promote it on slideshare.net.